So take it off. Take it off. Aaron, where's my big smile? Where's my big smile? Ooh, Ricky says, who is that? Who is that? Snip, snip. Ricky wants to be in the movie too. Yeah, Ricky wants to be in the video. Smile. Aaron. Aaron. Here's my big smiles. He's looking at Ricky. Aaron's looking at you, Rick. He is. Yeah. He thinks you're pretty cute. I think he'd like to grab your hair. Yeah. I think you would. Aaron, where's your big smiles? Where's your big smiles? Come on. Where's your big smiles? Ricky. There they are. Where's your big smiles? Come on. Where's your big smile? Aaron, where are they? Where is it? I know it's in there. I know it's in there. That's not a smile. There we go.
Yeah, I got that one.
There we go. Yeah, we can catch it with the video camera. We're just not fast enough with the camera, huh? Yeah, we're not fast enough. We're not fast enough. Little squeaky boy. Yeah. Yeah. Give us some more smiles. Where's some more smiles? Yeah. Yeah. It's a big old milk belly. There's a big old milk belly. Yes, it is. Where's our bird frag? Where'd it go? I had it. It disappears. That bright red rag. Where is it? Can you smile for me?